Hello and welcome to tutorial 155. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at custom sessions, and what we have a chart here which is a pound-dollar 30-minute set to New York time, and we have two custom sessions applied. One the UK market, stock market, and another one the Hong Kong stock market. So what we're going to do is go back to a fresh chart of the pound-dollar, and we're going to create those custom sessions and apply them to the chart. So firstly, we're going to create a custom session following or during the time when the UK stock market is open. So we go to the symbol, we click on properties, and then we click the little ellipses there on the right. We select custom session, and then we say create, and we give it a name, and then we create the Monday session, and I'm going to be creating this between the hours of 3 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. bearing in mind the time zone of the chart. And having done that, we set the end of trading day, and then we can say add Monday to Friday, and then what we need to do is just change the names for each one of those to something that we want. Click OK and OK and OK, and then that will be applied to the chart. And you'll start to notice a few gaps here, because what we're doing now is we've just got a window on the pound-dollar bars that are occurring when the London market is open. So what we're going to do is apply the symbol and the same time scale again to the chart. Then you'll see those gaps when we're not showing the bars because the London market's not open. And we're going to just change the style of this. We're going to change the candlesticks to more of a nondescript grey colour. Just going to change the transparency a little bit and say OK. Then what we're going to do is drag this onto the same subgraph as the graph with the custom session, and there we can see the custom session and the other bars in grey. Now what we could do is add another symbol, or rather add the same symbol yet again, and to this we're going to add another custom session. So we're going to double click on that subgraph, click properties, click session, and change that to custom session. Now I've already created a session for the Hong Kong market, and that is actually running from Sunday at 9:30 till 4 a.m. Monday, and then equivalent for the following 4 days. That is already created, and you can see those bars there. I'm going to then drag those, or actually we're just going to change the colors and also the thickness of those bars, because there are going to be actually two bars that overlap in these two sessions. So yellow and purple. Change the weight. And we're going to change the color of the wick as well to a yellow color. This will just help us distinguish when the two bars actually overlap. Then we're going to drag this onto the other chart, setting the axis to the right axis, and just click on the chart. And there you can see we've got the two custom sessions, and you'll notice where there is an overlap, because we've made the bars a little thicker, you can see that they're highlighted, showing both bars at the same time. Anyway, hopefully you will find this useful. If you are not part of the Markplex email list, then please go to markplex.com and join it there. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then please click the logo in the middle of the screen in a moment and subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much.